Hello, I'm Peter from Tatum, and in this video I will show you why is it so easy to use Tatum.js SDK to emit direct RPC calls to the Polygon blockchain nodes. I have prepared the small Node.js application with tatum.com/js package already installed in the newest version. First thing we need to do is to instantiate the SDK using Polygon blockchain. And we also need to provide network, which for our case will be Polygon, but we also can use Polygon Mumbai for testnet. Next, we will go through tatum.rpc.getBalance. All the RPC methods are prepared in form of TypeScript interfaces, so you don't need to worry about types or the structure. Let's use getBalance method to get balance of this address here on Polygon network. Let's see how the example works. And just like that, we have balance in way right here, which matches the actual balance of the address. I hope this helps. You can find more about this and other methods in our documentation. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.